new office. I lived in a single wide trailer. This is paid for cash. Game changes forever. You learn to trade this market. That's all there is to it. I'm given a Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra, the nicest one, 5G smartphone, 512 gigabytes, decked out, $1,400 phone almost. Giving it away. You got to subscribe to the channel. Go to Twitter. Follow at cryptobitcoinchris. If you go down to the description of this video, there's a TikTok link. You got to follow me on TikTok and then leave a comment in the comment section along with a like. Subscribe to YouTube, like YouTube, comment on YouTube. Thank everybody for watching Crypto Revolution. We talk about everything crypto daily. Jump in right into the market today in crypto. Bitcoin. First thing you need to think in your mind is this idea, the Bitcoin weekly chart. Short-term bounce ideas. Yeah, we had some great setups today. However, especially on Kucoin. However, previous support is now lost, and all the sellers are right here. So the previous floor is now the ceiling. So you want to talk about midterm hold ideas. The bulls got to break and flip this level, 31,750. Okay, but we did find some bounce ideas based on this inverse head and shoulders, this falling wedge, and these Kucoin coins. I've got a VIP charts only group. The guys are nailing these coins. It's crazy. The best part about these altcoins getting completely destroyed is they bounce hard. I mean, you guys seen the gains on Kucoin right now? Like, it's crazy. Pump City. So, Bitcoin 1 hour chart. We were looking, we're going to talk about the dollar pulling back. We're going to talk about the SPX double bottom, needs some upside, and the market in general, especially the economy in the United States, is in shambles based on some earnings reports that are coming out this week. So make sure to watch the video all the way to the end. But again, for real good bullish ideas, you need to break this level. So plan B is break this level, right? Plan A right now has been this breakout, needs a bullish retest, and you might get a move up here, right? So that's plan A, where we've been watching and we've had some trades that we've been waiting on, but you need a bullish retest of this level, and we want to see what the SPX has got to come through, and the SPX has got to bounce, right? Otherwise, there's some downside ideas where this thing could just roll over, but really the key is to watch right here. Age is going to wake up. You're going to see some volume come in the market, 9 p.m., 10 p.m. Eastern time. And you want to see this bounce for some short-term bullish ideas, and then does it convert to longer-term bullish ideas? But it's not, I'm trying to predict this. I'm just looking for the signal to enter the trades. All right, just as plan C, this just goes without saying. Got a lot of new people watching the channel. Want to make sure you know that if ever you get a breakout, I mean, you got a breakout of this small falling wedge. If this were to re-enter the pattern, this would be a bull trap, and you'd want to exit your positions. Okay, so just understand how that idea works. Pay attention to this idea, plan C. I got some amazing shout outs to give in my trading group. This person, I'm super proud of him. He joined the group with about $1,000, he turned it to $99,000. Then he bought a house, he paid off all his debt. So, and he started back over with 150 bucks. So has a house out of debt, 150 bucks. He's up 320% so far. And this is in like a week. Kucoin's amazing for small caps and for smaller bags. This young lady, super proud of her. She was down $60 and then she made $1,000 today. She said more pieces clicked and put into place. That's how this works. Like, you're not immediately going to become the best trader ever. It takes time, but I'm going to help you put the pieces of the puzzle together. This person says, thanks for sharing your money machine with me. This is ridiculous what we're seeing out of these altcoins on Kucoin. This person's happy and averaging about $2,000 a day. He said when he messaged me, he turned $2,000 into $18,000 in the past 2 weeks. So Kucoin gem picks are being posted and they're banging. So 220% 2 days after post out of Roar. Shout out to Rover. Shout out to Andrew Wilson. 312% gains 1 day after post. This thing, RaceFi, freaking annihilated. Look at this freaking pump city. 492%. Shout out to Harsh Patel. Nailed this 12 days after post. 389% out of trip on a short. Huge gains. We're killing it. If you sign up this week, I'm still giving a huge discount. 60% off the regular prices. Remember, you go over to the website, cryptorev.net. It pays for itself. It's a no-brainer, cryptorev.net. If you go down into the description of this video, there's a link take you directly to this website. Remember, if you have any questions, email me, cryptobitcoinchris@gmail.com. Not let this market take your money. You got to be in the right coins. Right now, you have to be in the right coins, period. The dollar index. Okay, so this is good for stocks, and this is good for crypto. So this is the dollar, basically a basket. It's the dollar versus a basket of other fiat currencies, right? So you've had tremendous upside, and so a strong dollar bad for Bitcoin, bad for stock market, right? Now it's retracing. You don't want it to come up, and you don't want it to come up here and break and flip this level and more upside. You want it to bearishly retest, and this would be good for short-term Bitcoin stock market. But this is it's just hitting now an oversold bounce, and so Bitcoin's kind of slowed down a little bit. So we're paying attention to the dollar, but what's happening in the economy is these earnings reports are coming out and they're getting wrecked. You know, I saw they lowered price estimates on Tesla recently. Target shares dropped 25% because of poor earnings reports, right? You're seeing televisions, video game systems, a lot of things that were selling like crazy aren't selling as well. So the economy is feeling the pinch. The recession is here. I mean, not officially, but it's here. It will be official after the GDP goes down, drops 2 consecutive quarters. First quarter has already been completed and is down. So after the second quarter, it would be officially a recession. SPX. Now, we talked about the idea where the best chance for a good reversal in order to make money. Here it is. It's real simple. This is a signal. Are we going to go short or are we going to go long? If this thing double bottoms and then breaks out, you're looking for a move up in this area. Could you get a move higher? You could. But I assume that this next high is going to be lower than the previous high. That makes this next low a lower low. Okay. So you get this euphoric uptrend, you sell and take profits before it dumps. Okay. But that's still has to bounce here. Still has to bounce. But if it does bounce, then there's some bullish ideas over the midterm that could play out. But if this thing dumps, parabolic drop. This thing will punish bulls if this support doesn't hold. So it's all about to happen. Make sure, watch this. We need this bounce and we need some good confirmation. The dollar is pulling back, you know, so as long as this continues to pull back, you could see good movement out of the SPX. Bitcoin dominance is pumping. This means altcoins, people are not FOMOing into altcoins right now. Altcoins getting completely wrecked. However, these small caps on Kucoin are the anomaly. This can go 50, 60, 70% even. Altcoins will get completely destroyed. You think altcoins are down now and wrecked? Altcoins will get completely destroyed. And this is not going to be a straight line. This could take a year or more, right? What we're looking for is we want to see Bitcoin dominance pull back, and that would show that the money's flowing back into some altcoins. But again, you have this bull pennant broke out to the upside. Hasn't been amazing for these large cap altcoins, right? When Bitcoin bounces, they're not bouncing exponential. Like, so normally when Bitcoin bounces and you get 5% gains out of Bitcoin, you might see 10, 12, 15% out of Ethereum. Now, when this thing is climbing, you're not getting those type of returns. And so this means the money flow is more into Bitcoin. And so if Bitcoin's dropping and this pumps, it's super bad for altcoins. So keep an eye on this idea. I'm telling you now, I will show you this. If this thing continues to trend higher, I will show you this in a video, and I will say, I told you to pay attention to this, because this thing has saved me millions of dollars. Understanding that trading altcoins when this thing is trending higher is tough. Again, these small caps on Kucoin, it's like they don't even care. They're the anomaly. Small caps pumping crazy. But large cap altcoins are getting hit hard. I mean, small cap's getting destroyed too, but we found a pocket of coins to pay the bills. So a lot of things to pay attention to. I'm going to keep you guys updated every single day. Make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment in the comment box. Thanks so much. I'll see you guys tomorrow.